Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Spiked Arnold Palmer. Now, Arnold Palmer was a real person, okay? He was a golfer. And I don't know, maybe he loved lemonade. And then he also loved iced tea. So, okay, that's the lemonade part of this. And this is the iced tea part of this, okay? So, lemonade and iced tea is an Arnold Palmer. But this is Tipsy Bartender, okay? That would be a virgin drink, and we just don't do that, okay? So, we put in our ice cubes. Those are the tea ones first. Followed by the lemonade ones second. Beautiful. You see what's going on here? All ice cube. Now we come behind with some vodka, juice of the gods, or Vladimir Putin's dessert. Blend that. Okay, that looked delicious, man. Oh my goodness. And now look at that pour. Look at the pour. Oh, this is such a beautiful pour. I'm crying because lemon sliced cherry. I get so sensitive. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy. Try not to cry.